Hey everyone, I'm going to do a quick lesson here on using a pendulum. These can be really useful tools to just check in, see where our intuition's at, if we're on point with what we're thinking. It's nothing to make huge decisions and spend $1 million, but this can just provide some guidance and clarity and reassurance. And I love working with pendulums. I just showed this, but this is a really pretty one. I love it. It's just on a chain. It has a bead here on the end. Some people hold their hand under their pendulum. We do have chakras on our palm, and that can just help with your energy working with the pendulum and the crystals and the stones in the pendulum. The first thing you need to do with your pendulum when you buy one, clean it, rinse it in water, dunk it in the ocean. As long as it can go in the water, a mineral like selenite cannot go in the water. Put it in the sun, give it a moon bath overnight, just clear it. And then once you've cleansed it, I always just hold it for a minute, infuse it with my own energy. I'll blow into stones a lot like this. To just put my own life force in there, my own breath, air, my chi. So I'll put it right into the pendulum. So like I was saying, some people do put their palm under their pendulum. I just hold it like this. You can see the bead is in between my fingers there. I just hold it like that. The first thing you want to ask your pendulum is, show me yes. Show me a strong yes. Show me a strong yes. Show me a strong yes. Now this is what is yes for me on a pendulum. It's a counterclockwise spin. And you can see it really can get going there, strong. And now I want to know what no is. So ask your pendulum, show me a no, show me a strong no. Show me no, show me no. And there it goes back and forth. And that has always been a no for me. Now, when you're working with a pendulum, it's great to ask specific questions. So instead of just saying, am I going to get that new job? It's better to get specific and say, what will the outcome be if I get that new job? Will I be happier at the new company than I am right now at my old company? And that can be a really specific question that really provides good information and good insight. So I can ask that, what will the outcome be if I get that new job? Will I be happier at the new company than I am at my current company? And see, that's a no. That's really good to know. So if I get that new job, I'm not going to be happier. And so you really need to think about, when you're working with a pendulum, using this job example, is the goal more money? And you may already know that answer. You may already know that you would make more money, but you would not be happier when you check in with your pendulum. Again, and this is just, it can be a tool for guidance or reflection or some information. They can be really useful. They can help you validate your intuition as well. Pendulums are awesome tools. You can get them pretty inexpensively, and they're really fun to work with. They're really, really fun to play around with. I hope this helps someone out there, and have a great day.